expect the unexpected nga, di ba? Sinasabi nila.
We're always considering things na hindi tatakas yung dadalhin namin sa country.
Kung anong klaseng group tour, kasi the previous tour, it's really a bad experience.
First-timers are not, Lebec is still for you. I'm sure every one of you are wondering if there are really non-Muslims that are traveling with us. And today, we have our very special guest that became my friend from being a client, and she's a non-Muslim. She was with the tour with us during pandemic, by the way. It was twice, not only once, but twice. I would want you to meet my good friend, Abby San Miguel.
Hi, good morning. I'm Abby San Miguel, a solo traveler and a businesswoman at the same time, and I love to explore the world.
Okay, so being a DIY traveler, before I met you, diba? I still remember this. It was pandemic. Oh my God, we were the very first one to leave the country.
True.
And even the immigration was so shocked with us.
Yeah.
So, even myself, nung nag-reach out ka sa amin, I was so shocked because somebody, I think hindi naman siya first time na non-Muslim, but somebody who's not really from somebody I know or na-refer, you just really, nakita mo lang ata talaga kami that time, diba? Can you talk about that? How you found us and how you really decided na parang, okay, I would try a group tour since you have been traveling for how many years to DIY?
Okay, gosh, this is very interesting because me and my ex-partner, we're trying to meet. But of course, there's no way out because there's COVID. So I found Easy Access sa Facebook. Then sabi ko, okay, I called my ex-partner like, hey, I found this group, but the problem is it's all Muslim. So I was very hesitant and very makulit. So I kept asking Sheena, her staff, then like, I want to talk to the owner also na kung pwede ba talaga ang non-Muslim.
Actually, nagulat din ako kasi hindi kita kakilala or somebody from, I know kasi ganun eh, di ba? Usually, you start with somebody you know. At that time, Easy Access, wala pang Lebec nun. Medyo masasabi ko na, nandun na kami, nasa Manila na kami, pero hindi pa ganun sa ngayon. Tapos, somebody was like trying to join the group na pandemic pa. And alam mo ba yung sabi sa akin ng staff ko? Sabi ni Sheena, ma'am, merong non-Muslim gustong sumali. Ha? Ganon? Sino yan? Sabi niya, ewan ko, ano daw, Abby San Miguel? Sino yan? Gusto ka makausap.
Hindi mo masungit. Pandemic, ayaw niya kumita.
Sabi ko, sino yan? Sabi niya, ma'am, ano daw, kasama daw niya yung partner niya, doon na daw sila magkikita. Sure ka ba dyan na hindi tatakas yan? Because of course, for us, we have to get your visa, diba? We're always considering things na hindi tatakas yung dadalhin namin sa country. So, nung sinabi na gusto makipag-usap, ano kailangan yan? Ba't kailangan makipag-usap sa akin?
Yeah, because I had a previous experience with the group tour. So, that's why I'm very makulit na, is it okay? Is it okay to be separated? That was my first instinct, like, kung anong klaseng group tour kasi the previous tour, it's really a bad experience. So, and then ito, Muslim, then ako non-Muslim na okay lang ba talaga kasi baka, alam mo na yun, na iba awkward. So, yun, kaya, but it was a good one.
It was actually really fun. It turned out to be really fun. So, just for the people to know, it was pandemic 2021. Tapos, February 2021. So, it was very cold. It was still winter at that time. And then, we were the very first one to leave the country. For tourism-wise.
For tourism.
Ang mga kasama natin sa plane, mga seaman.
True.
Mga seaman. Mga naka-astronaut.
Tayo lang wala. We're just wearing masks.
Yeah, we were just wearing masks. Tapos naka-outfit pa talaga.
Oh my God, the immigration, they gave us a hard time, remember?
Yeah, especially to you.
Hello?
Paano yun? Paano sabi?
Suking-suki ako.
Wait. I'll just, gawin natin. Saan pupunta?
Turkey.
Anong gagawin?
Tourism.
Magtutour? Pandemic?
Ayaw mo? Lifestyle?
Bakit? Bawal ba?
Bawal ba? True.
Oh my goodness. But at that time, hindi bawal. They were really
No,
open.
they're just very strict.
Yeah.
Yeah, very strict.
Walang katao-tao sa
Wala.
immigration. And even in Turkey.
Mm-mm. I think the only people in the immigration was yung mga OFW na allowed nang mag-travel. Seaman. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kaya,
Napush talaga
Napush
natin.
na,
May
yeah.
kasama pa tayo sa tour na nagalit yung family nila. Kasi hindi nila alam. Parang na magta-travel sila. It was pandemic. By the way, nag-RT-PCR bago umalis.
and the quarantine, that's the worst part.
Bago umalis na Pilipinas, nag-RT-PCR. Bago umuwi ng Pilipinas, nag-RT-PCR.
yeah.
Tapos, nag-quarantine ng 7
That's
nights.
7 days.
7 days, 7 nights.
7 nights, yeah. You're right.
Diba?
Then after, before you go home, you need to take another RT-PCR.
Yes. Before ka makaalis sa facility or sa hotel mo, kailangan mo mag-RT-PCR.
It's,
Pero pinush natin.
yeah,
Feeling ko, kung sino lang matapang.
success yun. Very
that
successful. To, ano.
How was your experience? Like, of course, nasabi mo na na ang pangat na experience mo before sa tour. And you're always traveling. I know how you were traveling. When we were close na, parang sabi ko, ba't siya pumatol sa tour? Kasi I mean, I know to myself naman na pagka nasa level ka na marunong ka na talaga, 'di ba? Parang ano yung experience mo, overall experience, good and bad,
Oh,
the expectations.
the expectation, expect the unexpected nga, di ba? Sinasabi nila. This is the best, one of the best experience of my travel talaga, my travel life. Na hindi ko in-expect. Of course, first, akala ko out of place ako, left out ako. Kasi syempre, kayo lang naman magkakilala kayo. So, I have that mentality na, okay, kasi Muslim na Muslim, non-Muslim. So, syempre parang, okay, paano ko imimix yung sarili ko? But, when we get there, I was very comfortable. You made it more comfortable na lahat okay kahit na that's the right term, outsider. I think for me, yeah, I'm outside, which is true. Kasi even my ex-partner is Muslim too, right? So, it's the best tour ever. Kasi you gain friend, you gain the sister at the same time.
Yeah, that group until now,
Yeah,
we're
and
still
until
very
now,
active in
even
our
after
GC.
even after the tour, we're all still connected to each other,
True.
especially us.
Yeah.
Like how many years now? 2021, then now 2026. Imagine. So it's really.
Nag 5 years
Yeah,
na.
5 years.
Wow. It just felt like parang kahapon lang.
True.
Sa totoo lang. No?
Yeah.
What was the big surprise in this tour for you? Kasi ako mismo, on my own experience, I have a very big surprise and I'll be telling that after you.
Oh, the proposal
Yeah.
in
oh my
Cappadocia, like -7. Then all I want is just like, can we just go down because it's so cold?
God. Yeah.
Yeah, so it was the proposal and all of you are part of it.
Everyone knows. Ako actually yung ako yung pinakalas nilang nasabihan. So, nasa hot air balloon na ang ibang mga clients. Tapos, nung papasok na ako, sabi sa akin nung isa, did you know na magpo-propose ngayon si ganito? Kay Abby. Sabi ko, oh my God. Of course, I got so excited. And for me, it's like something talaga na any agency would want to experience. And then, we were there. I don't know, nasa taas na tayo. Nasa alapap na tayo. And he kneeled down. And
And I was
everyone-
very angry and everyone
Yeah,
is like
nag-aaway
filming
kami.
already.
Lahat kami nakatingin.
He intentionally did that. Nagalitin ako.
Okay.
So when he was kneeling like, and remember you were beside me like, look at him, kumakalabit siya sa akin, kumakalabit. But I didn't know that everyone's filming already and he was kneeling already.
And lahat na touch. Kasi sa amin, di ba, sa Muslim is, wala naman talagang proposal. We don't really have that.
And take note, he's a Muslim too, right? And so that tour, talagang wala akong awkwardness. Talagang from the minute na nagsama-sama sa airport, sa eroplano, until we got...
Hindi, meron. Before we talk, pa with everyone.
Oh, yeah.
You're always going to me. And I was very awkward kasi sabi ko, ba't lagi siya pumupunta sa akin? You're asking, pwede bang mag-upgrade ng business class? So, yes ma'am, pwede po. Actually, I'm always traveling business class kasi nahihiya kasi ako. So, ay hindi, we have guests that are traveling
True.
business class as well.
Para mo akong buntot nun eh. Kaya para mo akong buntot nun kahit saan ka pumunta. Kasi nahihiya ako sa ibang
grupo.
group. Yeah, nahihiya ako nung una. Pero nung dumating na ng Turkey, wow. Na parang magkakilala na tayong lahat. Na parang we know each other. Parang wala akong naramdaman na, okay, there's non-Muslim, pero hindi ko namin kakausap. Alam mo yung ganon? May ganon kasi na group tour eh.
Hindi, at saka most especially, VIP lahat yung kasama natin.
Yung
So,
mga VIP, di ba? So, sabi ko, wait lang, paano? Pero wala talaga
For
eh.
me, on my experience on the VIPs naman, they're more, mas nagre-reach out. Siguro kasi they're VIP mostly in their normal lives. Tapos pag nasa tour sila, they can be themselves.
Hindi sa akin kasi hindi normal yun eh. Hindi sa akin normal yung syempre, di ba? Yung talaga yung group tour na sinalihan ko, outsider talaga ako.
Okay.
Yeah, so pero pagdating doon, wow, it's the best experience. The best experience.
What can you say about easy access? Like, as a non-Muslim, na masasabi mo talaga sa mga tao na, they have doubts, for example, kasi nga, we are more on the Muslim market.
From the root word, they made it easy access for the world, for non-Muslim too. So, wala akong masabi doon, hands up.
Wow.
Hindi dahil friend na tayo, sister, you know me.
Thank you so much.
Pero talaga, even my ex-partner, he's not really into group tour. He's not really into travel. But, kayo lang nakapagpapilit gumising ng 5 in the morning. Kayo lang nakapagpapilit na maglakad ng kung ano-ano. And talagang both of us, comfortable sa group. And it's the best. It's the best. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Well, I should say thank you. Kasi wala akong friend, wala akong sister from another mother.
Diba?
Yeah. So, it's the best.
Okay na to siya? Na-ending niya? Check pa daw.
Ano? Share ko yung ex ko. Share ko ba? Nakakasabi lang.
The experiences.
The food, ano ba?
No.
Wow.
Food?
Alam mo yung pinakauna. This is really an honest, akala ko, pupunta ka doon tapos tatakas ka.
Oh!
Kasi sinabi ko pa nga kay Sheena, gusto ba talaga nito mag-tour? Gusto ba talaga niya makita ang Turkey?
Okay, kasi from the previous group tour na nasalihan ko, we're talking about like 10 years ago. That was my first group tour, and at the same time, bago pa ako sa pagta-travel. I think around 2012 or 2013. So, group tour yon. Yung friend ko, natagpuan din sila sa Facebook. Then, it's so cheap. It was so cheap back then. Okay, let's go. Let's join the group tour. So, Asia lang yon, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Macau. So, pagdating namin sa airport, so, nandun yung lead tour or whatever, kung anong tawag yung sa mga nagtutour na yon. So, nandun kami. That was the first time na nakilala namin yung, kung sino, yung grupo. Binigay sa amin yung ticket, yung hotel, then after that, bye. Then, nasa like, okay, where are we going next?
Tapos bago ka lang nagtatravel that time.
Oo, newbie ako noon. So, sabi ko doon sa friend ko, ano ba to, group tour or KKB? Yung kanya-kanyang lakad, kanya-kanyang bayad, what? Tapos, yun lang, that was the first time na nakita ko yung group. Hindi kami nakapag-introduce, hi, I'm Abby,
Yeah,
hi.
because we always do that in our tours.
So, kaya nung after decade, okay, kayo, that's why I'm very makulit. Ano bang mangyari? Separate ba kami? Kasi yun yung worst kong, imagine first group tour ko yun. So, di ba?
Nung narinig ko yung sabi, ma'am, pwede pa daw sila mag-separate? Mag-separate? Tatakas to Shin.
No, kasi nga pagdating doon, all separate na kami.
Yeah,
So,
yung first time
pagdating ng, ng tawag dito, ng hotel, oh my God. Kaya yung experience ko sa Easy Access, talagang the best. When it comes sa hotel, food, yung tour, talagang naka-follow lahat yun. Kami, ang naka-follow lang yung kaibigan ko. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung iba. Nasa na, okay, tatawagan lang kayo. Okay, you have to be at the ferry, papuntang Macau. That's it. So, lahat yun, kanya-kanya talaga na sabi ko, ito bang group tour? That's why I was hesitant at the same time. Kasi nga, baka pagdating dun, Turkey na yun eh. Tapos, second group tour ko. So, wala akong experience talaga sa group tour. Pero, in between those years, nagso-solo travel na ako. Kaya sabi ko, pwede ba kaming humiwalay? Kasi yun na yung expectation ko na pagdating doon, sasabihin mo, hihiwalay kami. So, ito na yung ganito, ganyan. Yung pala.
Kinausap pa ako nung ex-partner mo. Nung sinabi sa akin ng staff, pwede ka rin ba daw kausapin nung nasa abroad? Ano to? Ba't ko kailangan
Third wheel ka.
makipag-usap?
Third wheel.
Kasi usually naman, even before, kasi ngayon talaga yung mga VIP yung kausap ko, that's the fact. And then, I'm more on the tours. Pag sa Umrah side is, yun nga, yung mga VIP. And I have other, like sa mga visa, gano'n. So, even though may mga tao, nagha-hands-on pa rin ako, but I don't really talk to, especially sa
To the
group tour.
client, yeah.
So, nung, especially foreigner na gustong makipag-usap sa akin, nasa abroad, sabi ko, bakit? What's really going on? So, actually, he was just parang nag-reassure lang siya sa akin na whatever that you want daw is ibigay ko for your comfort. Kasi
diba? Princess treatment.
Kung meron daw kailangan bayaran, then he will be the one to pay. Ganon ang sinabi niya. Which is para sa akin, okay, pandemic ngayon, kailangan ko i-grab to.
Sana dinoble mo nga, di ba? So, yeah. Yun yung bad experience ko. Kaya, yung sa Easy Access, talagang, it's very special. Not because yung the whole experience, it's really the best. The best. Yeah.
Grabe. But after that, meron ka pang another, kasi lagi ka nagda-travel,
Yung next na tour, group tour na sinadihan ko, Europe naman yun eh. It's Balkans. It's also good. It's also good because I gained also friends. Now, we all became friends, like really friends.
Yun naman ang advantage talaga ng tour. Sa totoo lang.
Actually,
You
yun
will
naman.
gain friends.
Yeah, you gain friends. Na kung saan ka pupuntang country, hey, are you available? Ganito, ganyan. Actually, yung isang naging close ko is Tita Rose. Sa kanya ako nag-i-stay pag nasa LA ako.
Wow.
Yeah, pag Germany, minimit ko si Ella, Pinky, mga ganon. So talagang naging friends kami, na pag uwi sila naman ng Pilipinas, imimit ko sila. So all the tours na na-experience ko, I'll go for Easy Access. Easy Access talaga. The whole experience. Yeah. Pangalawa yung last na Europe tour ko kasi naka-gain din ako ng mga friends. If it's not because of that tour, I'm not gonna able to meet those people. So thankful ako dun sa part na yun. Yun lang.
Group tours para sa akin, I'm very proud that the people that are joining us are also, hindi lang kami nagigain ng mga clients and friends. Everyone's also creating their own community, network. Yeah, I even have like iba na non-Muslims din. Kahit sa mga Asian namin, sumasali sila.
Actually, kasi doon may separation kaming naramdaman nung sa third na group tour ko eh. Unlike sa Easy Access, alam mo yung darating kayong buo, lalabas, matatapos kayo ng buo. And that's what I love the most. I really love it. Na hindi yung kanya-kanya tayo. Na, na walang ganun sana nangyari. And yun na nga, take note, I'm a non-Muslim, pero parang I'm one of them. I'm one of you guys. Yeah.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy that even it was a pandemic, we've gained friends and we've gained that experience. Kasi to be honest, if you go back to Turkey, you've been to Turkey after that several times, ang haba ng pila.
True.
Sa Hagia Sophia. Sa atin, it was just like normal.
Parang
diba?
nirentahan natin yung bawat lugar na pinuntahan natin.
I always tell that kung ngayon na may mga clients na ako yung kasama, you know, during pandemic, ang swerte namin.
Super swerte.
Walang pila dito.
Saka yung mga pictures, imagine.
May backdrop ka na maganda. Walang tao.
Walang mga
likod.
photo bomber.
Yeah.
Parang talagang, Pamukkale is the best too. Na talagang atin-atin, di ba?
Yes.
Parang sa atin lang yung pool ng Pamukkale.
Pati Ephesus. Yung sa library.
Actually, lahat halos naman. Ang pinakamarami, may tao lang talaga is Bursa. Remember?
Bursa. And Cappadocia nung
Oo, yung nag-hot air balloon tayo. But the rest, all good. Saka, if you have a good group, hindi mo na papansinin the rest eh.
Oo.
Yeah, so, we're just having fun. It's really a good experience with Easy Access.
I'm so happy this is happening. Kasi a lot of people, akala lang nila na they're just exclusive for Muslims. we have, most of the people are Muslims that are traveling with us, but it doesn't limit us, diba?
Mm.
At least this is really coming from somebody who have traveled not just once, but twice with us.
That's why I love you. That's why I love Easy Access. Kaya nga, di ba, pag may mga tour lagi, I'll make sure na ikaw yung maglilid. Ano, meron ba? Kaya lang, our schedule hindi nagtutugma lagi eh.
We're even planning to go to Iceland.
Yeah. Kaya lang, I was in the US. Kaya hindi na talaga hindi nagtutugma. Pero at least kapag Morocco tayo.
Yes. And Morocco also, it was also during pandemic.
Oh God.
And this group was like crazy group.
Can we talk about this next, kasi ito mahaba, ito magandang experience to eh. Yung second tour natin eh.
Pero alam mo, feeling ko nakatulong talaga na sa Turkey yung napili natin. You know why? It's our best seller. For me, sobrang second country ko na siya, second home country ko na siya. So I was very comfortable to bring people there. And with that, really, I would say that for Easy Access, that's number one. It's the number one. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much also for searching us at that time, even it was pandemic. And really, Easy Access goes beyond the Muslim market. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your founder, CEO of Easy Access Travels and Lebek International Travel, Hajanura.